So what do we have? We have protests, we have riots, we have people dying, we have uh, political leaders being removed from office, we have fears of wars and trade imbalances, and yet still have to make decisions about what we're going to do with our life savings. So to get this out of the way, for the month of January, ironically, the market's actually finished up in light of everything that happened. But what I want to talk to you about and what I'm excited to show you is some perspective that I think we need. Because one of my favorite charts has been updated and now reflects a nice round 100-year perspective. And in looking at this, what I want you to see is that one, the markets actually go up a lot more often than they go down in a 12-month calendar year. But two, what I want you to understand is that in the last 100 years, we've had World War I, World War II, nuclear bombs go off. We've had presidents shot. We've had presidents die. We've had dictators removed. We've had all kinds of political uncertainty. We've had globalization. We've had unwinding of globalization. We had oil embargoes and oil crises and all kinds of uncertainty. And yet, over time, humanity continued to evolve and continue to create and innovate. And we created things like the car and then airplanes. And before that, we had tractors to make it easier to farm. And we had the industrialization and we had factories and the ability to produce products and services. And along comes technology, and then along comes the internet. Then along comes an iPhone or a smartphone. And now we have AI coming on. Why do I say this? Because in 2026, there's a lot of uncertainty. We got Fed decisions, Fed chair replacements. We still have the fear of inflation. We still have geopolitical crises. We still have our own country turmoils going on with immigration and ICE and all the mess that is happening. And yet behind the scenes, we still have innovation. We still have people thinking of new ways to help us live better lives. And the companies and investments that we're making are to benefit from the long term when any 12-month calendar year is a short-term perspective. And so for 2026, let's not overreact to what gets thrown at us in the world of uncertainty. Make sure that we're certain we have what we need set aside. That's different, but not overreact, because history shows that over long periods of time, like the rest of your life and the lives of your loved ones, staying invested is the better decision.